Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so happy to be back. I was traveling out of the country. Guys, those vacations don't owe me nothing. But I am back. I know I'm jumping in a little late, but hey, rather late than never. So I'm going to go ahead and do an upcycle on an old Wreath. This is so quick and it's budget friendly, and you guys know I love bringing you budget friendly, easy DIYs. So all I'm going to do is go through my older Wreaths. I picked out one that I'm going to be using. This one is really pretty, but I'm going to use that on the inside and go with something a little bit more substantial for the outside because it is going to be outside. So yeah, I used this last year. As you can see, it needs some help. I'm just going to go in and remove the decor that I already have on it, and then I'm going to go ahead and get it fluffed out. So that's what we'll be doing. This Wreath, by the way, I purchased off Amazon a few years ago. It is perfect for outside if you have you don't have double doors, or you can get them for double doors, but it's just like a medium-sized Wreath. I also pulled this out of my collection. Do you know how happy I was to actually find that Ralph Lauren looking tartan plaid? Yes, yes. When you're a crafter, you have so many items that you keep. So I can leave a link in the description bar below to give you the actual ribbon that I'm using, because I still have that link in Amazon. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead, and now that I fluffed the ribbon and fluffed the Wreath rather, and add the ribbon on, I make my bows this way, where I just fold it over evenly, pinch the ends with wire ribbon to sort of give it the same length and sort of make the bow look really neat. I know there are other ways to do it, but guys, I am not the best ribbon maker, so bear with me. But this is the way I do it. Once I have enough and I have them folded neat, I always check to see if they're even, and then I basically pull it together, like pinch it together, and then I tie it really tight. I was going to use the jute string, but I think you can see it too much, so I went and grabbed a darker colored pipe cleaner. I didn't have any red or green, but you're not really going to see it anyway, so this would be perfect. So I'm just going to tie it together really tight. You know, you want to use what you have on hand, of course. And now that I have it tied, I'm going to go ahead and trim the ends of this ribbon. And all I'm going to do basically is just make sure that they're the same length and trim it. And then we'll fluff out the bow. So now that I have my bow all fluffed, I'm just going to go ahead and use the same colored pipe cleaner to attach it to the Wreath. I do this because you can get more uses out of your Wreaths instead of hot gluing them. I also like to dovetail my ends, so all I'm doing is taking both of them and I'm putting them together and folding them over. As you can see, they're both ends of the bow, and I'm just going to cut up. That's how you do it. And this is how you get the dovetail technique. This is something that is optional. You don't have to do it. It's just something that I like to do. I also like to crimp my actual ends of my bow. I don't know why. This is something that's optional also, but I just like the look of it. And I'm gonna go ahead and sort of fluff it out a little bit more. I think it needs a little bit more fluffing, and it will be all ready to go on the door. So guys, when I did this, it happened to be raining. It's always raining when I want to do outside stuff. So I'm going to have to come back with another video of how I styled this with a new rug and everything. But guys, I love the way it turned out. I hope you do too. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe and comment. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. And also let me know what you're up to, if you're going to be decorating this year or not. And if you are, you're going to be doing any trending items or things. But I would recommend looking through your things that you have first, because everybody seems to have red tartan plaid somewhere, and just pull that out and use it instead of buying new items. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one, and thank you all for watching.